Greetings YouTubers, welcome back to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing YouTube thumbnails with ChatGPT. And here in GPT-4, scroll to the bottom where it says DALL-E3 and make sure you select it and then type in your prompt here. So let me give you an example. Make me a catchy YouTube thumbnail. This is for a video about making money for walking. So here is the example. It created 4 of these thumbnails, and then I can also tell it to change the colors, fix the spelling. If you want to fix this, all you have to do is tell ChatGPT, I like the top left image, but the word is spelled wrong. So I'm telling it to fix the spelling right here. So here's the fixed version, get paid to walk. So this is a pretty nice thumbnail. And here's another example. Make me a catchy YouTube thumbnail for a video about a golden retriever dog going skydiving, and it should be realistic. So here are the ones it generated. So all these are very good thumbnails, and you can tell ChatGPT to add in text if you want. These are very amazing looking thumbnails. Pretty happy with it. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more AI tips, tutorials, and reviews from How to Webmaster. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.